We're at one of our customers' homes today. This project is a renovation. This property is 25 years old. The homeowner had a couple children that were teenagers, so they're looking to create an entertaining space. And the previous landscape didn't accomplish that.
We came in contact with Dave and Van Zeeland when we were looking for a company to put together a landscaping plan for us, particularly a patio and fire pit.
We took out the deck and some of these elements that were outdated, and we replaced them with functional areas that are also aesthetically beautiful. Some patios, both an upper patio and a lower patio. We had introduced a natural stone retaining wall, which fits the country style. Halfway through the project, the customer noticed that they wanted to add some stairs, and we had to revise the project on the fly to be able to introduce that. And so we had a second level of wall, which was a challenge, but a fun one.
Before we had the patio, we didn't use it very much. We use it a lot now. We were able to eat out here. We've had graduation party out here. We've had a lot of different meetings or groups of people coming out using the patio. So we really like it a lot.